Namaste. Welcome to Karthik Netralaya.
Hello one and all, I am Dr. Sneha and I am working as a consultant ophthalmologist in Karthik Netralaya, Bangalore. And I am here to discuss about the pre-LASIK instructions. So firstly, congratulations to all of you who have decided to go for a LASIK vision correction. As you know, LASIK is a very good surgery to correct many refractive errors like myopia, hypermetropia and astigmatism, and also to a very good extent we get good results with presbyopia or Charlie's in layman language. So we have this brochure here which gives all the preoperative instructions regarding LASIK treatment and also the frequently asked questions. Kindly go through this brochure to understand the procedure better. So firstly we need to know who are fit for a LASIK surgery or what is the criteria to undergo a LASIK surgery. Firstly, you should be above 18 years of age, and secondly your glass power should be stable for about 1 year. It is very important that you should not be pregnant or breastfeeding when you opt for this LASIK surgery. If you are on any medications or any other illnesses, kindly inform your doctor as it might alter the results following the LASIK surgery. Coming to fixing the surgery date, so you can tentatively fix a particular date for the surgery, and you have to plan in such a way that you get 1 to 3 days of rest after the surgery. So once you have fixed your date of surgery, we do something called as a pre-LASIK assessment. This pre-LASIK assessment is an important process before undergoing LASIK surgery, as it will help us to understand what type of procedure will be best suited for your eyes, and also to ensure we get very good results after the LASIK surgery. So this pre-LASIK assessment, it is done 1 to 2 weeks prior to the surgery. And here we need to understand, if you are a regular contact lens user, in case of soft contact lens, you have to stop wearing them 1 week prior to the workup. If you are wearing a toric contact lens, it has to be stopped 2 weeks prior to the workup. And in case of semi-soft contact lenses, it has to be deferred 4 weeks prior to the workup. So when you are coming for a pre-LASIK assessment, kindly get all your old medical records, your treatment histories. If you have any history of allergy, kindly inform the doctor or the consultant. After this, we will be performing several tests like pentacam, which will analyze the front portion of the eye. This is the cornea. We will be doing many tests called pentacam, keratography. We will be doing a dilated retinal examination, dry and wet refraction using a phoropter, and specular microscopy, pupil assessment, and many tests to go, dry eye assessment also. Once all these tests are done, the consultant, the doctor and the counselor will help you decide on what laser LASIK surgery to undergo, and some other tests like some blood tests, ECG, physician checkup and physician fitness also needs to be done. And after all these tests, you will be seeing blurred for about 1 to 2 days. So you have to get a relative or an attendant who will take care of you and also help you in deciding what kind of surgery to go for. So now we have captured all the required data, we have fixed the surgery, and now let's move ahead to see how to prepare the eye before the surgery. So we 2 days prior to the surgery, we give you these 2 eye drops. One is an antibiotic eye drop. Here, for example, it's Zo eye drop, and the other drop is the anti-inflammatory eye drop. So these 2 eye drops have to be instilled 2 days prior to the surgery, and the timings are given as below. This antibiotic eye drop is as follows: 8 AM, 2 PM and 8 PM. And the second anti-inflammatory eye drop is again 3 times a day, 10 AM, 4 PM and 10 PM. In case you want to change according to your convenience or preferences, it can be changed, but at least a gap of 1 hour should be given between the 2 drops. So now let us go to the demonstration of instilling these eye drops. I'll demonstrate individually now. So this is the antibiotic eye drop. It comes as a self-sealed bottle, so we need not use any external sharp object to open this eye drop. We need to just tighten the eye cap like this. So this will help in opening the nozzle tip. So before application of these drops, kindly wash your hands clean and do not touch the nozzle tip. Do not use any needle or any sharp instrument to open the bottle. So this is the other drop. This drops comes with a ring like this. So before opening, when we are opening this cap, you have to remove this ring and again tighten the same cap to open the bottle. Again, please do not use any sharp instrument to open the bottle. And demonstrating the drop, first we have to, if we are putting it on ourselves and if there is no external help, so first lift your head up and pull your lower lid like this, and with the help of the other hand like this, so instill one drop into the eye. And after installation of the drop, close your eyes for 2 minutes and then you can resume to your daily activity. So this drop will not cause any blurring of vision, so there is no fear about that. So if anybody else is putting the eye drop, then they'll have to stand on the left side, and other procedure is the same, except for they have to take the help of the forehead. And this drop can be instilled even in the lying down position or in the sitting position, whichever is preferable. And the drops can be also stored in the refrigerator in a separate box. So now coming to the tablets, there are 2 tablets which we give you prior to the surgery in this envelope, and all the instructions regarding how to take and when to take the tablets are printed here. The first tablet, this is for the relaxation prior to the surgery. This has to be taken 1 day before the surgery in the night after food, and also on the day of surgery in the night after food. And the second tablet, so this has to be taken 1 hour prior to the surgery after food on the day of surgery, and also after the procedure if in case there is pain. So now coming to the other instructions before going ahead with the LASIK surgery, we need to trim our nails and remove any kind of nail color. Avoid all kind of eye and face cosmetics before the surgery, at least 1 week prior to the surgery. If we are wearing any kind of contact lenses, it should be removed, as I have explained previously. And any kind of other medications which we are taking, we can continue that. So other instruction is you have to wash your face thoroughly 4 to 5 times the night before the surgery with an antiseptic soap or a regular soap which you are using, and also change your pillow covers, bed sheets, and the towel which you use for cleaning your face. It has to be fresh, new and clean. Coming to the day of surgery, so take a head bath with shampoo and thoroughly wash your face 4 to 5 times with regular soap. Avoid all kind of face and eye cosmetics. Avoid kumkum and avoid vibhuti. You can put a sticker bindi instead, and jewelry should be minimal, and you should have a good breakfast before coming for the surgery. Kindly do not come starving. Continue all the eye drops which you were applying previous to the surgery. Men can also shave. What are the things which we have to get while coming to the LASIK center? So we would have provided you a pre-operative kit like this from Kartik Nethralaya. You need to get this kit which contains all the drops and the tablets, and also the blood reports, the ECG, physician fitness, and all the previous medical records have to be brought along with the these kit. And you need to get 1 set of clean, washed and ironed clothes, preferably loose fitting and comfortable. Avoid any tight fitting clothes like banyans and t-shirts, and front opening clothes are more preferable. Since you have to change to these clothes before entering the OT, it is better to get these clothes in a clean plastic cover. Come along with your relative or a friend who is going to take care of you after the procedure. Avoid bringing many relatives or children along with you. So once you reach the LASIK center, relax for a bit, and you need to visit the restroom and disinfect your face, hands and legs, and also change into the clothes which you have got along with you. before entering the BioClean world-class operation theatre. Once you enter the operation theatre, our OT staff and doctors are there to guide you throughout the procedure. You need not be afraid of the procedure since it's going to be a painless surgery. We are not going to give any kind of injections and it is going to be done under the anesthetic drops. No bandages will be applied. So whenever you have any kind of clarifications, any kind of doubts, you can always ask the surgeon and stay calm, relax and enjoy your laser vision correction procedure.